up? It is Melanie Lee and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of a K-Beauty skincare brand, which is Glow Recipe. If you haven't heard of the brand yet or any of their products, that's crazy because they're literally all over the internet and they're all over Sephora and they're one of the most talked about skincare products on the market right now. I've definitely heard a lot of good things about the brand and some of their products and a few negative things as well. So I thought it'd be fun for me to sit down and explain my experience with you guys. So I wanted to give you guys a quick background about my skin. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you would know my skin is insanely oily, which sucks. But it's also a good thing because it keeps me looking youthful and not 21 at all. I have tried so many things to try to fix it and honestly I've just accepted it and has dealt with it. So now some background about the brand and some of their products. So I only have a few of their products here today with me. I just wanted to touch on my experience using them and my overall review. I do have the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is the travel size. I was recently in Mall of America in Minnesota and I saw this at checkout and I was like, oh, I gotta at least just try with the small size to see if I like it, to see if I want to get the large size. But I definitely wanted to try the sample version and I travel a ton, so it made sense to me to get this one anyways. And I also have the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. And finally here we have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So let's just start with the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. The packaging, at least with this one, is fairly cute. I love the travel size of it. I think you get a lot of product and a lot of use out of the travel size. I probably used this about 10 times already. I've not even barely went anywhere on this product. So I can see myself using this for quite a while. I only use one pump and it seems to cover the entire face. The amount that each pump gives you is really, really good. I have looked at the larger one, the regular size product. I think the packaging on that is very luxurious. It also follows the K-Beauty kind of guidelines and the look of it. So I like the packaging. I think they did a really good job there. I like that they included this top on here, especially for traveling, because there is nothing more in this world that I hate than traveling. Already it frustrates me packing all thousands of products that I use on a daily basis, but having them spill everywhere is the most annoying thing in the entire world. So I love that this came with a lid. So to get into the product, I'm just gonna squirt a little bit on the back of my hand here. This is about one squirt of the product and this will cover your entire face. So while using this product, you really, really want to lather this up to get a bubbly texture. So onto the scent, I think it does smell like blueberries, but this is kind of weird. It smells sweet, hint of blueberry, but it smells honestly more like a blueberry muffin. And it is very gentle. I love that its scent is not extremely overpowering, so that is definitely a plus. So actually how it feels on my skin while cleansing feels very gentle, obviously, but I can actually feel it when it foams up, actually cleaning my pores. And that is something that I've really never felt before while cleansing my skin. So one of the biggest things, again, is to make sure that it's getting that foamy, lathered up texture while you're doing it, and do it for a little bit longer. Go in really gently with your fingertips, and I definitely noticed a difference of the texture of my skin when I got out of the shower. When I usually get out of the shower, my skin feels very tight and dry, which then makes me produce oil almost immediately. So as soon as I got out of the shower, I pat my face dry and I felt it, and it felt very hydrated, which is what you want if you have oily skin, of course. That was definitely a win for me. I really do like the scent of this. Even as it's dried down to my skin, it feels very hydrating and soft. And this totally feels like my face after using this product. Kind of slippery, almost glass and tacky-like, which is really, really good texture, especially if you're going to be doing your makeup right after or applying a moisturizer before you go to sleep. Something else I really wanted to quickly touch on. I know a lot of people, so cringy, I hate this. I know a lot of people take their makeup off with cleansers and it melts the makeup. One, I hate watching videos that people do that because it just makes me cringe and for some reason that is just so gross to me, and texture. So I actually do not use this to take off my makeup and I will never ever ever try that ever, but I do notice that whatever residue or whatever I have on my skin, it cleans everything really, really good. So now I'm just gonna go over some ingredients that are in this product. It has antioxidant rich blueberries to protect the skin. It also has microsuds to deep cleanse skin. It also has hyaluronic acid for hydrated, bouncy, beautiful skin. If you've watched my channel, you know I rave about hyaluronic acid. This is one product, it's not by them, but that I absolutely do recommend, which is Tarte Youth or Dare Hyaluronic and multivitamin C serum. If you have oily skin, you need this. I'm just throwing that out. So the retail price for the large regular size is $34. So I just want to go over what Sephora talks about this product. It is rated a 4 out of 5, which I would actually probably rate this, at least for me with oily skin, a 5 out of 5. So Sephora says, what is it? A gentle cleanser and makeup remover packed with antioxidant rich blueberries, hyaluronic acid, and gentle AHAs. Skin type for normally dry, combination, and oily. Skincare concerns for pores, oiliness, and acne and blemishes. It's a lightweight gel. And also, in case you're wondering, these products are vegan and gluten-free. So again, I would totally rate this a 5 out of 5. Once I run out of this, I will definitely go buy the large size. So I love this and I will definitely be buying it again. Highly, highly recommend for oily skin. I also do recommend this for dry skin because I know this gel texture will definitely help people with dry skin. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. So on to the next product, which is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Let's just talk about the packaging really fast. I love the color. I'm not a super pinky person, but this is that soft pale baby pink, which is just really, really cute. And all of this looks so cute on a vanity, of course. And I love the glass that comes with this. I love that it's totally misshaped and it's not perfect. I think that adds a lot of character to the product. So taking off the lid here, I love that there is a pump. Whew. I love pumped products. This feels very luxurious, and again, their logo, the way that this product is totally follows the K-beauty guidelines and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna squirt some of this on the back of my hand. This is one pump, so it feels so glassy and soft, and I love this. It smells really, really good. It smells so much like watermelon, and it really sits on the skin so beautifully. And I don't know if you can see just how reflective, which is probably not the best word to use when we're talking about skincare, but just how glassy this is, and it makes your face and your skin just feel so good. So I think in this product it has 90% watermelon juice, which is awesome, of course. So this product is certified clean at Sephora. This also has a 4-star rating, and for this product I would probably agree with the 4-star rating, and I'll get into why. So the regular size, which is this one, retails at $39, and for me that is just a little expensive considering how fast I have ran through this product. I've only been using this for about a month, and to me this only looks like it's gonna last for another month, maybe month and a half, and that for the price is just a little expensive, but you are getting what you paid for inside of here because it is very good. It is a brightening lightweight moisturizer formulated with watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and botanicals to boost radiance and glow. So the skincare type is normal, dry, combination, and oily. Skincare concerns, dry, redness, and fine lines and wrinkles. So the highlighted ingredients are watermelon extract, hydrates, delivers essential vitamins, and contains anti-inflammatory properties to soothe irritation. And the last one, of course, is antioxidants, which helps to protect skin against environmental stressors. It is also, again, vegan and cruelty-free, and it is oil-free. So to me, why I would rate this a 4 out of 5 stars is because I don't feel like I need it. I really do like this only when I'm doing specific things. It's not necessarily a must-have for me in my routine. Not because I don't love it, I really do like it. I just don't reach for it in the sense where I don't have a need to use an actual moisturizer. So if you see here that I also have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. If I didn't have this product, I would be, of course, using this every night. But because I'm using this, I use this, so I don't need to use this. Also, in the mornings before I do my makeup, I also just apply this Tarte hyaluronic acid and then my primer and then foundation. So in the mornings when I'm actually doing my makeup, I also do not need to reach for this whatsoever. But if you are someone who doesn't like the sleeping mask and you still want a moisturizer, then I would suggest this. I hope that all makes sense. So now we're on to my favorite product of the entire brand. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I cannot rave about this product enough, especially if you have oily skin. I don't know how they formulated this. It is something that I've just never felt before. I'm so glad that I decided to try this product. Again, the packaging, I love it. I love the shortness of this product. I think it makes it look very luxurious and classy. I love the glass. Also, the glass is recyclable. The entire packaging is recyclable, which is good. This is also vegan, gluten-free. It is also cleared clean by Sephora. It also came with a little scooper, so that way you're not getting anything in the product contaminated. Oh, so I could be wrong, but I think that the sleeping mask and the moisturizer smell just the smallest bit different. So the moisturizer is like 100% watermelon flavored, and if you love the smell of watermelon, you will love these products. But the sleeping mask, it smells a little bit more like 50% watermelon, 50% cucumber. I know there's no cucumber in this product, but something about it just makes it smell like a cucumber. So anyways, I will show you guys. It is a jelly kind of putty texture. Now, what I've noticed with this is a little goes a long way. I'll just dab it on the back of my hands, just like this. Mix it in on my skin. I also love going over my eyelashes. I will also make it its way all the way down my neck. As soon as I put it on my skin, this is by far my favorite product in the entire world. So it smells so delicious. It looks beautiful on the skin. Take a little while for your skin to absorb it, but I love that this product doesn't fully absorb into your skin where there's like almost nothing left. It actually makes my skin hydrated and it looks and feels like glass on top of my skin. So one of the biggest things that I noticed my first time using this product, so I put it on, I went to sleep, and I woke up, and normally I wake up and I'm like, have my face in my sheets and I'm rubbing the oil off of my skin. And the morning I woke up, I felt my skin and it felt, it never looked oily. I never felt like I had oil running down my face like I normally do. It just feels, it felt so hydrated, and it's so hard to explain. Like there was another layer on top of my skin. It felt like my skin grew a whole nother skin that was like beautiful. So I was actually watching a video on the Glow Recipe channel about the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and how they formulate it. So this is blended with amino acids and is vitamin rich. It's soothing and hydrating, it says. The next one is hyaluronic acid again, which holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. It plumps your skin and is the holy grail hydrator, which I will agree with 1,000 times. It also has glycerin, which increases water retention and strengthens skin barrier. And lastly, it has seaweed extract, which is antioxidant rich, anti-inflammatory, and also hydrates. Also, if you're curious, this product is 2.7 fluid ounces. This retails for $45, and I think that's a fair price because there is no way that I could get through this product in less than 6 months. And you know what? I will give this a 5-star rating, and Sephora only has it a 4-star, but I personally would give it 5 because it is amazing. It has helped my skin. It has definitely made me feel more confident in my skin so I don't look like a absolute grease ball 100% of the time. It has definitely changed the way that my skin actually is and feels. including underneath my makeup and the way that my makeup lays on my face. Even though I already washed this off in the morning, feels like it has enriched my skin. So my overall review of the Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Edition, and the Blueberry Gentle Cleanser, definitely continue to buy these two for sure. So again, I highly do suggest these products and the brand, especially if you have oily skin similar to me. So I wanted to touch on one more thing that is not necessarily related to the brand, but it is related to skincare. If you've seen on my channel, I have posted a review a few months ago about the Sylvan pillowcases. They're good for your skin. They're woven with silver and they are antibacterial pillowcases basically. But I have definitely used them for a while now, and they actually just sent me another free pair, which is so awesome. So thank you, Sylvan. I would highly suggest checking them out because all of this skincare literally does nothing if you keep putting your head back on the same dirty pillowcase. I will link their website below. You can also check out my review video of the product itself, and I will also link that video below. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.